Two Gun Kitty, the catnip outlaw here, and got Bella overviewing this first thoughts and impressions on the Holosun 507C X2. Got this new gun here, and it had an RMR cut, so I went ahead and purchased the Holosun. I was looking at the Trijicon options, but for the price and what I need, I think Holosun had the options. I like the shake awake feature that comes with it, and I think their products are got a pretty good track record. And so I went ahead and purchased it. Got a good price online, shipped quickly, and finally got it mounted on. I was a little frustrated at first with one of the most simple things, the battery installation. They got this little side tray, and after unscrewing it, it doesn't pop out on its own or something, so you got to kind of wedge it out, and when it's empty it comes out easily. Well, of course, I'm a Murphy's Law person, and I put the battery in backwards, so it wasn't working, and trying to get that tray out wasn't well explained in the manual. They just say use this little tool here as a lever, and what do you lever it on? And I was going to do a little quick video to bash it, and as I was starting to do it, I could, from the angle, I could figure out how you wedge it. So I figured that out and was able to get it up and running. Not sure if we can see too well there, but you get a little glimpse of it there. It's got the circle dot feature on there, so it's very crisp, very bright inside. We'll have to see what it looks like outdoors, but the window is fairly substantial compared to, I guess, the Trijicon RMR. That was another reason why I went with it. And it's, first impression, it fits this gun perfectly. This one, it co-witnesses with the sights, so that's another reason why I went with this model for it. This is basically cut perfectly for the Trijicon footprint, and so Holosun also has that same footprint. And so look forward to getting it to the range. I think I got it co-witness. I'm not the best at zeroing in the red dots, but it looks like it may be co-witnessed after some adjustments. But I, after some frustrations there with that battery installation, it looks like it will fit the bill. I did have one other red dot on another firearm that I recently traded, and wasn't fully happy with it. I think I'm not sure if it was a Holosun, because it had a shroud, protective shroud over it. It was either a Romeo 1, Sig Romeo 1, or a Holosun. When I bought it used, it said it was a Holosun, but I wasn't sure. I never took it off to fully inspect it, but it functioned, same thing, shake awake. But this has the solar feature on it, so we'll see how that works with the battery life. And look forward to taking it with this new gun to the range. I think you can kind of guess what it is, but we'll do a later impressions after I take that to the range. I have not shot this firearm yet, so the first times I'll be shooting it is with the Holosun 507C. So, Two Gun Kitty signing off.